Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the general passage for the aspirants who are preparing for HSSC stenographer exam. Be ready. Start. Now, from the point of view of the Honorable Labour Minister, also, this is a very important that the argument of the 5-year plan that the adamant in the order to the production in the country full stop grammar to the development of a great importance with the working class and the workers full stop. It is the correct approach as far as that the order of the honorable minister that more and more in the worker to the order of this case in the productivity on the part and parcel that the standard of living in the honorable education minister and the honorable health minister, a situation like the honorable labor minister that more and more in the production to the difficulties full stop. I am wrong in this honorable minister that the order full stop essential commodities act with the order of this honorable minister that the patron of the society that the interpretation of the order by the provision full stop. Mr. Vice Chairman sir, we are discussion to the order of the honorable budget Delhi full stop. The honorable budget Delhi that minority of the order of this condition have been affected by the second 5-year plan full stop. There has been affected to the condition with the order of this case to the railway station New Delhi and railway minister New Delhi 1992 that the relief in the weaker sections of the society full stop the kind of the exemption to the poor consolation with the order that dynamic in the person earlier full stop under article 365 of the constitution of India has been committed a great mistake by the increasing to the order of the honorable minister that UP government full stop. Madam, as you know the order of this case to the hinterland that the viable in our country full stop a HTP Gujarat and Maharashtra that Delhi of this honorable minister that the democracy of the dogmatism in the order that the verdict full stop and over. सो ये हमारी 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी फॉर द एस्पायरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर HSSC स्टेनोग्राफर, जूनियर स्केल स्टेनोग्राफर, ट्रिपल एस। ठीक, सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।